Hi children, good morning Nana. Welcome to Max class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home. Yes? Okay Nana. So in the previous class what we completed Nana? We started that exercise 3D and we completed up to 4th problem. Isn't it? So did you complete the classwork children? Yes, you have to complete the classwork regularly Nana, and don't write mistakes in the classwork. Okay ma? So once again we revise what we discussed in the previous classes. So they are given that when you do multiplication and when we do division. Okay ma? See here, when a quantity increases the multiple times of the given number, then we do multiplication. And also if they are given value of one item, we have to find the value of more items. In that situation also we do multiplication. And when we have to find the product of two or more numbers, in that situation also we do multiplication. Okay ma? When we do multiplication children, come on, once again we revise that. Yes, and when a quantity increases multiple times by the given number, then we do multiplication. And when the value of one item is given and we have to find the value of more items, we do multiplication. And we have to find the product of two or more numbers. Product means we do multiplication. Why Nana? The result of multiplication is called product. The result of multiplication is called product. And division, when we do division, yes, when something is shared equally, so equally distribution. So whenever the equally distribution is going on, we do division. And when we know the value of many items and we have to find the value of one item, we do division. So my dear children, you have to remember these 2 points when we do multiplication and when we do division. That is very, very important. If you remember these points, then we can do easily the word problems in our daily life also. Okay ma? Let us take one example. The cost of 10 idli is 100 rupees. Then find the cost of 1 idli. Here which mathematical operation we use it children? Come on, tell me. The cost of 10 idlis is given. That means here the value of 10 items is given. We have to find the value of one item. Here we do, yes, very good, division. Okay ma? So value of more items is given and we have to find the value of one item. We do division. Okay ma? The cost of one flour is given. The cost of one flour is 5 rupees. Then what is the cost of 10 flours? Here they are given only value of one item. We have to find the value of more items. So in this situation we do multiplication. So don't get big confusion children. If the value of one item is given and we have to find more items, the value also increases. So in that situation we do multiplication. Okay ma? If the value of more items is given and we have to find the value of one item, in that situation we do division. Why? Because the value of one item is given, asking now the value must be decreases, isn't it? So try to understand the concepts. What's the multiplication and what's the division? Okay, when we do multiplication and when we do division. Okay children, and we completed some word problems also. In today we'll continue the remaining word problems. Are you ready children? Come on Nana, all of you open your maths classwork and textbook. Get ready with your books children. Yes, already we completed the 4th word problem Nana. Now write the 5th word problem. See page number 48 in your textbook Nana. Open page number 48 and see the 5th question and write neatly in your classwork. Okay, write down ma. A big library has 29,164 books. It has 23 rooms. The books are to be kept. The books are to be kept in such a way that each room has the same number of books. How many books will be kept in each room? So this is the problem, Nana. First try to understand the problem and we have to select which operation we do here. Okay, a big library has 29,164 books. How many books, Nana, library has? Yes, 29,164 books. How many rooms it has? Yes, it has 23 rooms. How many rooms? 23 rooms. And the books are to be kept in such a way that each room has the same number of books. So that means we have to keep all these books in the 23 rooms equally. Okay, so in such a way that each room has the same number of books. That means we have to arrange these books in 23 rooms equally. Okay, equally means equally distribution is called? Very good, division. Okay, how many books will be kept in each room? Now we have to find number of books will be kept in each room. They are given 23 rooms. They are given more items and we have to find for one room. Okay, so here we do division and one more key is also given here. What is that, Nana, hint? The books are to be kept in such a way that each room has the same number of books. Each room has same number of books means we have to arrange those books equally in such rooms. Okay, ma, is it clear to you, children? Yes, come on, tell me the steps. What are the important points given? Yes, a library has 29,164 books. What is given? Here the books are given and the rooms are given. Now we have to find how many books are arranged to be each room, are kept in each room. Okay, come on, write the first step. Number of books in library has. Number of books a library has. And number of rooms. See children, underline and keep 2 dots. Number of rooms equal to 23. Now number of books will be kept in each room. Equal to, so here we do division. 29,164 is divided by 23. Okay, ma? Start the division, children. How to do the division? First you write the divisor here and the dividend here. Okay, ma? It's a 23 table. 2 digits are there. So first you divide the 2 numbers. 29. So 29 means 23 ones are 23. So this is the nearest number. So you write 23 ones are 23. 9 minus 3, 6. Now take down 1, 61. So find the nearest number to 61. As continue the table, Nana. 23 2s are, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Next 23 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69. It's a big number. So you take only 2 times. Now do the subtraction. 1 is the smallest number, so that you take borrow. 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, ma? Here 6 become 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So my dear children, you have to do this process in your mind. 61. 1 is the smallest number, so that you take borrow. It becomes 11. And 6 become 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now you take down 6. Now the number is 156. Come on. Which is the nearest number? 4 3s are 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Next, 23 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 in hand, 5 is down. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Next, 23 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 in hand, 8 is down. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. 138. Next, 23 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 in hand, 1 is down. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. 161. It's a big number, so that you take only 6 times. Now do the subtraction. 6 small numbers, so that again you take borrow. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now you take down 4. 23 into 8. 8 3s are 24. 2 in hand, 4 is down. 8 2s are 16. 17, 18, 184. So, came 184. Okay, ma? As here we get the 0 reminder. Then how many books will be kept in each room? As 1268 books. Is it clear to you, children? They are given some books and we have to arrange those books equally in 23 rooms. Here we do division. Okay, ma? So 23 is a big number, so that you write the table side, then we'll take the nearest number to the. Okay, ma? So here no book left. That's why 1268 is a is number of books. How many books are there? 1268 books are to be kept in each room. Okay, note down in your classwork. Next one. Next question, Nana. A factory produced, sixth problem. A factory produced 1,62,816 cookies in 12 hours. Find out the number of cookies. Find out the number of cookies produced by the factory in 1 hour. Also find out the number of books. Find out the number of cookies produced in 8 hours. Produced in 8 hours. So write this question, Nana. A factory produced 1,62,816 cookies in 12 hours. So how many cookies produced in 12 hours, children? Yes, 1,62,816 cookies produced in 12 hours. Now find out the number of cookies. Now we have to find the number of cookies produced by the factory in 1 hour. And also find out the number of cookies produced in 8 hours. So my dear children, here you must be very careful, Nana. What is given in the problem? So number of cookies produced by the factory in 12 hours. So here they are given the more quantities. Now we have to find for one quantity. One quantity means here we do division. And also they are asking find out the number of cookies produced in 8 hours. So first we do division. Okay. Again after we find that one hour, they are asking to find that for 8 hours. If one item is given and we have to find the more items, we do multiplication. So that here we do two mathematical operations, children. First one division, again multiplication. Is it clear to you, children? So what is given here? A factory produced cookies number 1,62,816 cookies in 12 hours. They are given 12 hours. So first we have to calculate for 1 hour. Later we calculate for 8 hours. Okay. So first you have to calculate for 1 hour means we do division. Okay ma? Come on, do Nana. Tell me the steps. I underline, no Nana. You also underline in your classwork. Number of cookies produced in 12 hours. Number of cookies produced in 12 hours. How many cookies produced, Nana? Yes, 1,62,816. Okay. Now, number of cookies produced in 1 hour. So here we do division. Divided by 12. Okay. Come on, do this division, Nana. You know the 12 table. Okay. So 12 ones are 12. 4. Take down 2. 12 threes are 36. So 2 is smallest number, so that take borrow. 2 becomes 12. 4 become 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. Now 8. 12 5s are 60. 81. Come on, tell me, children, which is the nearest number? Yes, 12 7s are 84. It's a big number. So that you take 12 6s are 72. 1 is the smallest number. So that take borrow. 1 become 11. 8 becomes 7. 11 minus 2 is 9. Now you take down 6. 12 8s are 96. Finish. So number of cookies produced in 1 hour equal to 13,568 cookies. How many cookies produced in 1 hour? 13,568 cookies produced in 1 hour. How can you get this answer? By doing division. Now they are asking also find out the number of cookies produced in 8 hours. Number of cookies produced in 8 hours. Here 1 hour we already find. Now we have to find the number of cookies produced in 8 hours by doing multiplication. Okay ma? So the space is not enough here. You note down up to here, later I will write. Can you see the board here, Nana? One line. Okay, number of cookies produced in 8 hours. So already we calculated for 1 hour. So 13,568 into 8. Okay ma? Number of cookies produced. Produced in 8 hours. Okay. Multiply this, Nana. 8 8s are 64. 6 in hand, 4 is down. Can you see the board here, children? Yes, 8 8s are 64. 6 in hand, 4 is down. And next, 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 6, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 5 in hand, 4 is down. And next 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5, 45. 4 in hand, 5 is down. 8 3s are 24. 25, 26, 27, 28. 2 in hand, 8 is down. 8 ones are 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So 1,08,544. How many cookies produced in 8 hours? 1,08,544. Come on, write down in your classwork. One lakh 8,544 cookies. Yes. Note down in your classwork. Next question, Nana. A ship had 27 containers of equal weight and some additional weight. Let's write down the 7th question. Okay. Write down, Nana. A ship had 27 containers of equal weight. You write the question by seeing your textbook, Nana. And some additional weight. The total weight of the ship, the total weight on the ship was 3,19,213 kg. Find out the weight of each container and also the additional weight. Hint: divide total weight by the number of containers. Remainder is the additional weight. Remainder is the additional weight. Okay, ma, note down this question, children. So what is given in the problem? Yes, a ship had 27 containers. How many containers a ship had? 27. So we have to underline this. A ship had 27 containers of equal weight and some additional weight. Okay, equal weight and some additional weight. So the total weight of the ship. So what was given? The total weight on the ship was 3,19,213 kgs, Nana. So total weight on the ship was 3,19,213 kgs. Find out the weight of each container. Here we have to find weight of each container and also the additional weight. Okay. So they have only given the hint, Nana. How do we get the weight of each container? Here they are given a container had a ship had 23 containers, A ship had 23 containers and The total weight on the ship was 3,19,213. The total weight on the ship was 3,19,213. Okay, and we have to find the weight of each container. So how do we get this one? We divide the total weight by the number of containers. The total weight is divided by the number of containers, then we will get the weight of each container. Okay. And how we get the additional weight? Yes, here the remainder. So after the division, the number left after the division, that is called remainder. Here that remainder is called the additional weight. Okay, here that remainder is called additional weight. Okay ma, come on, write the steps children. First one, a ship had 27 containers. So number of containers. Okay, first we write the total weight of the ship. Why? Because that is a big number, no, Nana. Total weight on the ship equal to 3,19,213 kgs. And number of containers, (23). So weight of each container. So weight of each container. Now we have to find the weight of each container by dividing this number 23. Okay, so 3,19,213 by 23. Again 23 table, Nana. So 23 ones are 23, that only nearest number. 11 minus 3 is 8. So 2 minus 2, 0. Left side 0 has no value, so that you take down 89. 23 2s are 46. 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69. 23 4s are 4 3s are 12, 1 in hand, 2 is down. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 92 is a big number, so that you take 3 times. Okay, 69. Now 0, take down 2. So 23 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 in hand, 5 is down. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 115. So here 0 is there, Nana. So from this number you take borrow. So this becomes 10. And this 2 becomes 1. After, from this number we take borrow. Then 2 becomes 12 and 10 become 9. So 12, 9, 1. 12, 9, 1. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. See children, here you must be very careful. I will change the numbers here. 9, 1. 12, 9, 1. Okay. Then 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now take down 1. Sorry, Nana. It's not 100 and... Wait, children. So it's a 202. So let us continue this. 6 3s are 18, 1 in hand, 8 is down. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. 138. Let us find out the nearest number. 7 3s are 21, 2 in hand, 1 is down. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. Next 23 into 8. 8 3s are 24, 2 in hand, 4 is down. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18. Next 23 into 9. 9 3s are 27, 2 in hand, 7 is down. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 207. So it's a big number, so that you take the nearest number. 8 times 184. Now I'll change these numbers. 12, 0, 9, 0 becomes 2 become 1. So it's a 9, 9 minus 8 is 1. Now you take down 1. 181 nearest number is 161. So 7 times you will take 2, 0. Next take down 3, 203. So which one is the nearest number again? 8. So 184. Can you see the board, Nana? Yes, here 13 minus 4 is 9 and 0 become 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. So here the number left after division is 19. So what is the weight of each container? The weight of each container is, see here, 878 Nana. Here 5 is not there. Okay, so 13,000, see 23 ones are 23, 11 minus 3 is 8, take down 9, 23 3s are 69, 9 minus 9 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, now take down 2, 202 is nearest number is 8 times. Okay Nana, before I written 5 times, no Nana, no, that's not the nearest number. Next nearest number is 184, so 8 times will take Nana. 184, so that you write only 8, don't write 5. Okay, now 181, so how many times we get? Nearest number 161, 7 times, so 161. Now do the subtraction, 203, and 203 nearest number is again 184, 8 times, write 8 in the quotients place and 184 down. Now the number left after division is 19. So weight of each container equal to 13,878 kg. Okay. Now they are asking the additional weight. What is the additional weight, children? Yes, the additional weight equal to 19 kgs. They only given on an additional weight. The remainder is the additional weight. Okay, we will write this. Therefore, can you see here? Therefore, the additional weight equal to 19 kgs. Additional weight equal to 19 kgs. Note down in your classwork, ma. Next, Rahman purchased. Next question, children. Eighth question. Rahman purchased. Rahman purchased 46 grams gold, 46 grams of gold for 1,37,080. How much would it cost? How much would it cost him if he buys 22 grams more? Hint. They are given hint, Nana. So find the cost of 1 gram. Find the cost of 1 gram. Then add the cost of 2. Add the cost of 22 grams to the cost of 46 grams. This is the question, children. So what is given, Nana? Rahman purchased 46 grams. So the cost of 46 grams gold is given. Cost of 46 grams gold is given 1,37,080. Then how much would it cost him if he buys 22 grams more? So first he buys 46 grams, Nana. If he buys 22 grams more again, then how much would it cost him? So how to find this one? Yes, first we find the cost of 1 gram. Later we have to add the 22 grams cost. Okay, Nana? Yes. See children, first what is given? Cost of 46 grams gold equal to 1,37,080 rupees. Okay, now first we find the cost of 1 gram gold. How do we get this? By doing division. Okay, so I will do this division side, children. So 46 table, Nana. 46 ones are 46. Can you see the board? Yes. 46 twos are 92. 2 6 are 12. 1 in hand. 2 is down. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 46 threes are 138. 3 6 are 18. 1 in hand. 8 is down. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. 46 fours are 4 6 are 24. 2 in hand. 4 is down. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18. 46 5s are 5 6 are 30. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 230. But here we get that big numbers, Nana. 138 is a greater than 137. So that you take only 2 times. 92. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. Now take down 0. Now we have to find the nearest number to 450. 46 into 6. 276. 6 6 are 36. 3 in hand. 6 is down. 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27. Next 46 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 4 in hand, 2 is down. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 322. Okay, next 46 into 8. 8 6 are 48. 4 in hand, 8 is down. 8 4s are 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 368. 46 into 9. 9 6 are 54. 5 in hand, 4 is down. 9 4s are 36 plus 5. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 414. Okay, 414 is the nearest number. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here 0 small number, Nana. So that you take borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now take down 8. 368. 8 times you will get, Nana. 0. Here one more 0 is there. You keep 0 here. So the cost of 1 gram gold is 2,980 rupees. Now we have to find the cost of how many grams? Yes, 22 grams gold. So 2,980 into 22. Okay. Do ma? 200. We'll do the multiplication here. So 200, 2 8s are 16, 1 in hand, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19, 1 in hand, 9 is down, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 0 is in the ones place, again the same numbers coming. 9 plus 6, 15, 1 in hand, 5 is down. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 1 in hand, 5 is down. 1 plus 5, 6. So the cost is 65,560 rupees. Cost of 22 grams gold. Now we have to add these two. Cost of 46 grams gold, cost of 22 grams gold. Okay. Write down, Nana. So cost of 46 grams gold, 1,37,080. So it's a big problem, children. Don't get big confusion. Learn step by step. $65,560. Okay. Now what they're asking? How much would it cost him if he buys? So total cost. 0. 8 plus 6 14, 1 plus 5 6, 7 plus 5 12, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 1 plus 1 2. So 2,02,640 rupees. So if he buys 22 grams gold more, then he want to pay the 2 lakh totally 2,02,640 rupees. Okay ma, is it clear to you children? It's a big problem, don't get big confusion, learn step by step. Okay ma, first cost of 46 grams is given Nana. So we have to find the cost of 1 gram gold by doing division. Okay, later we find the cost of 22 grams by doing multiplication. Then how much would it cost? Now how to find that? They are given the hint also. Add the cost of 22 grams to the cost of 46 grams. So that we write cost of 46 grams gold and cost of 22 grams gold. Now the total cost is 2,02,640 rupees. Okay ma? Rupees symbol you have to keep Nana. So note down in your classwork neatly. So my dear children, I hope you understand the today's class. What we completed in the today's class Nana, how to do the word problems and which mathematical operation we have to use. How can you know that? Yes, if the value of one item is given, we have to find the value of more items, we do multiplication. Okay, if they are given the value of more items and we have to find the value of one item, we do division. See in this problem, more items is given, we have to find one item by doing division. So here they are given one item, now we have to find 22 items, we doing by doing multiplication. Okay ma? So later we do addition. Here 3 mathematical operations are involved in this problem. What are those? Division, multiplication and addition. Okay ma? Is it clear to you children? So my dear children, continue the classwork neatly. Okay, and don't write mistakes and you have to practice all these word problems in the homework book or rough book, whatever it may be. Okay Nana? Bye children, take care of yourself.